So today's video is going to be a little bit different. So this is going to be my 10th vehicle I've owned, and we're going to take two vehicles to it. My dad's brown truck, the 85, he's pulling the trailer. I'm bringing my truck because we will pull this vehicle onto the trailer with some straps, and we'll rig it up however we need to, but stay tuned. We're gonna hit the road right now. My dad has already left. It's an hour away. This is gonna be a cool vehicle. All right, so we just filled up the truck and we're headed down there, about a 40-minute drive. So get ready to see this vehicle. Well, we finally caught up to the slowpoke. Now, it's looking good. Cannot wait to go pick this truck up. All right, just got it loaded up on the trailer. We're headed home. All good. Better catch up before he takes it. All right, we're on the way home. Bronco secured. It's gonna be a good one. All right, it made it home. So now I'm gonna clean out the garage bay, unhook it. We'll back it up to this garage bay here, and we'll pull it in. So now we got it in the driveway here, and we got out the hose right away and started spraying this thing down because it was just covered in a thick dust and dirt. And you can see it all rolling down the tailgate here, and it was filthy. I didn't get to get it on film because I was the one that was washing it, but while we were spraying it down, we went ahead and got some flashlights out because it was freaking dark, and I got out the soap and I started soaping it down, hand washing it, because I wanted to be really careful on the paint, but it looks way better. So I was very excited about this, and I was itching to hear it run. So we went ahead and just tried to get it to fire up, and we actually did, but as you can see, there was some failed attempts. All right, so fast forward a couple days. It's in the garage. I've done quite a bit to it. I did an oil change. I went through some of the wiring, fixed some lights. I've actually put a stereo system in it and a few odds and ends, but most important, I got it to run. So there is some water spots on it right now because it's been outside and whatnot. It's been 2 days, but here we go. We turn the key. Should fire up. I might need to wiggle the pedal a little bit. All right, I gotta just give it a little bit of gas. There it goes. So it's not perfect, but it does sound really good. I'll pop the hood for you guys. So it sounds really, really good. And I'm very happy with these tires and wheels. They were filthy. You might have seen it in the clips before, but you can see it like right here. That black actually rubs off. It is kind of hard to clean, but they do look a lot better. This is what the front one looks like. So they're very hard to clean, but once they're clean, it looks good. Here's the back seat. It's very nice. This is one of the first vehicles I ever rode with a fire extinguisher in it because I don't want this thing burning up. That's another thing right there, the tailgate. So the window does work, but the tailgate latch was bent inside of there. So I'm ordering a new one of those to get that on the way, and that way it's just new. It's out of the way, it's done. The brake lights work. This is the interior. I may want to get this seat reupholstered just because that is kind of aggravating. Because as soon as you open up the door, I mean, it looks so good on the outside. You open the door, oh, well, it's no big deal. But lights work. I put in a new stereo, new door speakers. I need to order some boxes for these speakers back here. 2 6x9s in the rear, 2 6.5s in the door. So if you need to know your door speaker size for a 78 Bronco, it's 6.5. But overall, it's really nice. Really, really nice. I cannot wait to be riding around this summer with the top off and all that. Coming into the engine bay, I bought a breather. I actually had to go back down there to the person that sold me it and get the original carburetor. That way everything's how it should be. It's no Chinese carburetor like this one. This is what I had. It's no bueno. It's not good. I actually threw a battery in it, fixed this terminal. This terminal was burning up. Every time you tried starting it, the strands were all frayed. I may get a new terminal. They're like $6 just so it looks a little bit better. I do want to get a battery cutoff in line of this or in between posts, something like that, just because being so old and being so nice, I don't want this thing to burn up. This bracket here, let me know before I say it if you know what that bracket would be or what it'd be for. AC. So I need to get an AC compressor and hook that all up. The blower works, the heat works, it's just very, very soft. So I need to figure out how to make that blower a little bit better. I actually did do an oil change on it. I threw this power steering cap on there. It didn't have a cap. It's got oil, so it's good. I did do all new plugs in this thing, and whenever I peeked in it, I actually have a boroscope. So whenever we pulled the plugs, we put the boroscope in there, and I'll put the picture up here now. It is bored 30 over, and the crosshatch looks really, really good. So that really confirms that this engine was rebuilt. And I have paperwork for this. The whole entire Bronco has been redone, and you can tell. That's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. I cannot believe that this is mine, and I love that the deal worked out. It worked out really well, and everything went smoothly. But thank you guys for watching. If you stuck around this long, maybe share it to a friend, like, whatever. But no matter what, it's appreciated. And this is Dalton, and that's all for now. I'll see you guys in the next one.